Categories. Categories are used to modularize your website and organize your pages in a logical fashion. They also aid in creating permissions for different users. You can specify permissions for certain users that you create to only have the ability to edit certain categories or even view certain categories. Furthermore, categories are used to define the base horizontal menu. As you can see, the horizontal menu consists of 4 buttons: Contact, About Us, Resources, and Rates, which corresponds to the categories in the sitemap: Contact, About Us, Resources, and Rates. Categories can also contain child categories or subcategories. As you can see, the Contact category contains a child category by the name of child, the child description. And it also contains a child page. The child category is reflected in the horizontal menu as a submenu with its corresponding page test. Top-level categories are added by the icon next to the site index add category. We're going to add a test category and give it the name test with the test description. We're going to change the state to published, and we're going to leave the index to automatic. Index redirects the category when clicked to a specific page or the default sub-site map of only that category. If this was a child category, you could fill in the permissions by adapting the permissions of its parents. You as a user by default are always assigned to the admin group, so you're going to give yourself read and write permissions. The general public is always assigned a username and password in the background without them having to do anything. Their username is anonymous. When the general public views your website in production mode, they're automatically created a session under the username anonymous. So if you want the general public to view this category and its children pages, you're going to want to give the user anonymous read permissions. You then save the category. The category test appears at the top of the sitemap. If you wanted to change the order, we can give the sort order 100, which will in effect change the position of the category to the end of the sitemap. Similarly, it changes the position within the horizontal menu. As you can see, there's a rollover effect caused by adding this category. The specific template only allows for 4 buttons. We're going to delete our test category.